Hey there, Quiz Shiba is back with a bang. Today, the little friend Shiba brings you an incredibly fun challenge. Would you rather? Mystery Gift Edition. We have 60 options for you, and you will have 8 seconds to make your choice. So, don't wait any longer. Subscribe to our channel. And here we go. Let's kick things off with the first choice. Would you rather get $100,000 or get a mystery gift? Oh, wow! It's a Lamborghini. Would you rather have a bouquet of flowers or a mystery gift? Amazing! A bouquet of donuts. Do you prefer having a cute puppy or receiving a mystery gift? Oh, it's a giant spider. What would you choose? That's a sandcastle. Elsa dress or the mystery gift? Cardboard box's costume. Oh, not easy to choose. Wonderful! Unlimited candy. Would you rather have an Apple Watch or open the mystery box? Whoopsie! It's a bitten apple. I don't want this one. A box filled with secrets. Do you dare to open it? Woohoo! $100,000. You're doing great. Which one this time? Fantastic! Diamond rings. Left or right? Ping pong table. I like both of them. Would you rather have a gold toilet or wait for the mystery gift? Oh dear, that's a dirty toilet. VIP tickets to Taylor Swift's concert or the mystery gift? Awesome! VIP tickets to Messi's match. Would you rather have a birthday cake or open the mystery gift? Okay, let's comment your birthday to let Shiba know if you chose the mystery gift. Will you eat chocolate chip cookies or risk it all in the box? Oh no, I definitely don't want to eat burnt cookies. A box filled with secrets. Do you dare to open it? Wow, you are so lucky! You won the lottery! How about this one? Do you have a swimming pool in your house? Do you prefer having a personal chef or receiving the mystery gift? Yeah, a robot chef. What would you choose? It's hot Takis. Love it or hate it? Comment down below. Do you want to have a sunflower chair? A toilet paper chair. Bad luck this time. Have a duck float or get the surprise in the mystery gift? It's a jet ski. Sounds better. Do homework or get the mystery gift? Ew, no way! Clean up dog poop. Would you rather get $1,000 or get a mystery gift at the end of this video? Would you rather eat a Hawaiian pizza or select a mystery gift? Whoopsie! Only pizza crust left here. Your decision awaits. Oh wow! Unlimited gold bar. Keep going. Bravo! 10 million subscribers on YouTube. Here is my favorite one. What about you? Oh my goodness! Broken egg. Who's excited for the mystery gift? What a pity, only $2. Do you want to bet on your luck this time? Ta-da! It's a diamond gaming chair. Would you rather sleep on the sofa or open the mystery gift? Sleep under the bed. So bad. Choose wisely. Marvelous! Tick-tock, the clock is ticking on your decision. Study for exam. How about this one? How unfortunate! A torn teddy bear stuffed toy. Would you rather go giving with sharks or pick a mystery gift? Yay! Skydiving. Like this video or wait for the mystery gift. Haha, subscribe to our channel if you chose the mystery gift. It all depends on your luck. Hooray! Apple Vision Pro. Keep it up. Get a luxury bag or mystery gift box. Oh my god, a Lego bag. Are you a fan of the Oreo popsicle? The berry ice cream cone is also delicious. You're on a roll! PlayStation 5. Like this video if you like this mystery gift. Almost there. Don't stop now. What's your choice? Yummy! Cheese balls. Which one now? How disappointing. This is not the alarm clock I want to get. Will you open the mystery gift box? Do you prefer to go camping with your friends or with your family? Here's another one for you. Oh wow, a hoverboard. I want this. Will you choose the cloud nightlight or get the mystery gift? Unicorn nightlight. Can you guess who's in the mystery gift? Alas, a used toothbrush. No fast food or the mystery gift? So sad, no internet. Don't stop now. Eiffel Tower. Would you rather have a pink bedroom or a mystery gift? That's terrifying. Messy bedroom. Will you kiss the fish or open a mystery gift box? Fight the lion. Oh well, these choices are so wild. Would you dare to unwrap the secrets in the mystery gift? Incredible! Trip around the world. Any ideas? Soak in a hot tub. Keep the prize or gamble for what's inside. No, no, no! I never drink expired milk. Oh, I wonder what's inside this mystery box. M&M, do you love it? Do you prefer the piano or the mystery gift? Wow, a violin! Which one will you choose? It's regrettable. Raw potato slides. Make a choice. Safari adventure in Africa. McDonald's free pass or the mystery gift? KFC free pass. Yeah, give me that, please. What would you get? Let me know in the comments below. Broken phone. That's a difficult choice. A plane. Your decision awaits. Magnificent! A diamond camera. Would you rather get the new nails or the mystery gift? Nice! A new tattoo. And the mystery gift you've been waiting for is a kitten. Aw, it's so cute. Do you like this mystery gift? Thank you so much for joining our adorable little Shiba today. Please comment and let us know what awesome gifts you chose. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun games like this one. And now, it's time to pick your next challenge. Have fun, and I'll see you guys in the next video.